Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Should you forget Bitcoin and buy XRP instead? Next, crypto volatility may spike if U.S. election is too close to call, says FalconX. Also, CryptoQuant CEO says stablecoins now being mostly used for purposes other than exchange trading. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there are no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: should you forget Bitcoin and buy XRP instead? Is it time to pay more attention to this oft overlooked cryptocurrency? Bitcoin's price has doubled during the past 12 months. Several catalysts drove the world's top cryptocurrency higher. The approvals of the first Bitcoin spot price exchange traded funds in January, its halving in April, which cut its mining rewards in half, the Federal Reserve's long-awaited interest rate cut in September, and its growing adoption as a recognized currency in countries like El Salvador and the Central African Republic. Bitcoin's recovery could convince many investors that it's a stable long-term asset like gold or silver. It already has a market cap of $1.4 trillion compared to gold's market cap of $18.6 trillion and silver's market cap of $1.9 trillion, and is now the world's 10th most valuable asset. But as Bitcoin matures, it might have less upside potential than the market's smaller cryptocurrencies. So should growth-oriented investors shift from Bitcoin and buy XRP on the chance that it might take off? The differences between XRP and other cryptocurrencies. XRP is the native cryptocurrency of Ripple, a blockchain ledger which is used as a cheaper, faster, and more secure alternative to the widely used SWIFT, or Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, protocol for money transfers. Several smaller financial institutions, including Travelex Bank, Tranglo, and Century, use Ripple's Xcurrent network for their money transfers. But instead of gradually adopting XRP's token for payments, most of those financial clients only use Xcurrent to transfer fiat currencies. That's why XRP didn't gain as much traction as other cryptocurrencies. XRP can't be mined like Bitcoin or other proof-of-work tokens. Ripple actually pre-mined its entire supply of 100 billion tokens before its launch in 2013, and it locked up more than half of those tokens in escrow accounts across its blockchain. It periodically releases some of those tokens to stabilize its liquidity. XRP can't be staked, locked up to earn rewards like Ethereum's Ether and other proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies. Its ledger also doesn't natively support smart contracts, which are used in proof-of-stake blockchains to develop decentralized apps or dApps, non-fungible tokens or NFTs, and other crypto assets. Why could XRP gain more attention? XRP's fixed supply, inability to be mined, and lack of utility made it a tough cryptocurrency to love. To make matters worse, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission sued Ripple in 2020 and claimed its XRP token offerings were illegal sales of unregistered securities. That setback caused Grayscale Investments to shut its XRP trust in 2021. Coinbase Global, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, blocked its New York customers from trading XRP that same year. During the past 12 months, XRP's price has declined more than 15% and underperformed Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other leading cryptos. Yet three tailwinds might lift XRP higher during the next few years. First, Ripple's protracted legal battle against the SEC finally ended in August with a lighter-than-expected fine of $125 million. The SEC is appealing that ruling, but it could be tough to overturn the results of that 4-year legal battle. Second, Grayscale recently relaunched its XRP Trust as a closed-end fund for accredited investors in response to Ripple's partial victory. Bitwise also recently filed a registration statement with the SEC to start the market's first spot price XRP ETF. Those new funds could stabilize XRP's price and lock in more mainstream investors. Coinbase even allowed New York residents to start trading XRP again. Lastly, Ripple plans to integrate Ethereum-compatible smart contracts into a new sidechain tethered to the XRP ledger. That's not quite the same as natively supporting smart contracts, but it could finally draw more developers to its blockchain and encourage the adoption of XRP's token. But is XRP a worthy replacement for Bitcoin? XRP's near-term headwinds are dissipating, but I'm less certain about its long-term tailwinds. Bitcoin has clear catalysts on the horizon. It will become harder to mine with each 4-year halving. It will receive more funds from institutional investors, and it could be more widely adopted for payments. With XRP, I still see a token that isn't scarce enough or useful enough to be considered a great long-term investment. It might be an interesting short-term trade, but I don't think it's time to abandon Bitcoin and bet on XRP's potential outperformance. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline: crypto volatility may spike if U.S. election is too close to call, says FalconX. An analyst warns that volatility could emerge if the U.S. election results are close, but traders will be relieved once it's over, giving the market firmer ground. While many crypto traders are trying to speculate the market's direction based on the outcome of the upcoming United States election, one analyst warns that a close showdown between the presidential candidates could also trigger some unexpected volatility. Additional volatility, however, could emerge if results are too close to call and it takes too much time to reach an outcome, FalconX head of research David Lawent opined in a November 1st market report. Market participants relieved to be done with directionless trading. Lawent noted that after the crypto market has been directionless since April, traders will be relieved once the U.S. election is over, as it will clear the way for markets. After 6 months of directionless trading, markets appear eager to move past election uncertainty toward firmer ground, he explained. Since April, Bitcoin has traded within a range of $53,991 and $73,149. Lawent emphasized that although investors are hopeful for positive outcomes, no matter which party wins the U.S. election on November 5th, some believe a Donald Trump victory may lead to stronger gains due to clearer pro-industry commitments. Similarly, SwiftX lead analyst Pav Hundal recently told Cointelegraph that a Trump victory would likely provide a dopamine hit. Meanwhile, options traders appear bullish on Bitcoin breaking its all-time high just weeks after the election, regardless of the outcome. Recent data from crypto exchange Deribit shows that Bitcoin open interest, or OI, the value or number of outstanding futures contracts that have yet to expire, for call contracts expiring at the end of November is concentrated around $80,000. Bitcoin and Solana are the standouts, says Lawent. Lawent explained that along with Bitcoin, Solana also stands out in conversations as possible outperformers. BTC serving as crypto's proxy could further benefit from ETF flows, 2024's primary source of new capital. Sol's strong narrative positions it as a likely destination for profit diversification. Meanwhile, Lawent claimed that Ether remains notably absent from most discussions. The commentary comes only weeks after Dan Tapiero, founder of 10T Holdings, said that the U.S. election outcome wouldn't change the bullish trajectory of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, which will likely tap $100,000 per coin regardless of which presidential candidate wins. I don't think it really matters. Everything is going up now. The election will pass, Tapiero said of Bitcoin during a panel discussion at the Permissionless Conference in Salt Lake City, Utah. Our next top headline: CryptoQuant CEO says stablecoins now being mostly used for purposes other than exchange trading. The chief executive of Digital Asset Insights from CryptoQuant says stablecoins are witnessing increased adoption via use case expansion. CryptoQuant's Kai-Yang Ju tells his 368,500 followers on the social media platform X that the total market cap of stablecoins is exploding for reasons other than digital asset trading on exchanges. The on-chain analyst data shows that only about 1 in 5 stablecoins are being used to buy and sell crypto. In September 2021, exchange stablecoin reserves exceeded $30 billion. From this point, I considered the stablecoin market to be sufficiently grown, making comparisons from this time valid. Today, the stablecoin market cap is $166 billion, mainly used for storage or remittances, with only 21% held on exchanges, down from over 50% in 2021. The total stablecoin market is growing, but most of the new supply is used for purposes other than trading on exchanges. Kai-Yang Ju notes that people across the globe are beginning to realize the advantages that stablecoins offer in moving money beyond borders. Mostly for remittances across all countries, stablecoin adoption in Africa is crazy as far as I know, with stablecoins being increasingly used for cross-border payments and potentially as a store of value for citizens of nations witnessing massive currency devaluation. Kai-Yang Ju says Bitcoin and crypto need to find another liquidity source to boost prices. Stablecoins alone can't provide enough buy-side liquidity for Bitcoin. The BTC to stablecoin ratio is 6.05, meaning BTC reserves are 6 times higher than stablecoins, similar to the last all-time high. ETF flows and Coinbase USD liquidity will be crucial for the next few months. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.